Hello, and welcome to this video where I'm going to give an overview of the server types available in Noteable. These include Python, R, and specialist subjects like Astronomy and Biochemistry. Noteable offers a wide range of notebooks, each tailored for different subjects and workflows. Whether you're coding in Python, exploring data in R, or diving into astronomy or biochemistry, there's a ready-to-use environment for you. If you're working in Python, Noteable has several powerful options. The standard Python 3 notebook is perfect for most users, with an extensive range of libraries for data analysis, visualization, machine learning, and more, including tools like Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, scikit-learn, and Jupyter AI extensions. There is also a standard notebook, which includes an integrated VS Code editor. More specialized notebooks are available too. The Language and Machine Learning notebook focuses on NLP and AI, with libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Spacy, and NLTK, plus preloaded models and datasets so you can get started right away. For courses and subject specializations, we have notebooks tailored for Geoscience, Biochemistry, and Astronomy, each preloaded with domain-specific tools like GeoPandas, RDKit, and SunPy. These dedicated tools bring the power to learn, build, and run complex models and simulations, all in one consistent place throughout the student's journey. R users can choose between a full RStudio IDE or a Jupyter-based R notebook with support for Stan and Bayesian modeling. Both come equipped with the tidyverse, ggplot, and a wide range of statistical packages. There's support for SageMath for symbolic math and advanced algebra. For web development, there's a lightweight notebook that lets you work directly with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, great for teaching and learning the basics. Jupyter notebook options in Noteable include real-time collaboration, nbgrader for assignments, and a thoughtfully selected set of libraries, so you can spend more time working and less time configuring classroom environments.